So today we got this lovely Mk4 Supra in with us today. So we're going to carry out some simple work. We've got some brakes going on. We're using our custom Garage Whifbitz brake kit, which utilises the AP Racing caliper. So yeah, for just general look over the car, as you can see, is a lovely clean example, very nice. We do have some nice wheels on it. We just fitted some Workmeister S1s on there in a nice like matte grey. Just going to take a quick look around the car, because it's a very clean example. I'll give you a nice little walk around. So as you can see, we've got the wheels on here, we've got the Workmeisters. Yeah, can't be a good set then. Walk around the car, again, personally, black is a favourite colour. Very clean example. All fairly original as well, this car, to be fair. So yeah, again, nice rear shot. So yeah, we're looking to the interior of the car. Yeah, it's all looking fairly standard. Yeah, very nice and clean interior, even with stock radio. Let's get a quick look underneath the bonnet as well. I'll show you around. So currently at the moment we are running the UK spec disc and calipers in a red. Yeah, they do look good. Yeah, quick look under the bonnet. It is fitted with Whifbitz aluminium intercooler pipes, upper rad pipe, radiator. Yeah, we're going to take a look at the brake kit. So, like I said, it is the custom Garage Whifbitz brake kit. Big old rotors, custom hats to fit these spec wheels, and again AP Racing calipers. Again with our brackets to match the hats and discs. Be running some Porterfield brake pads. Again with the rear, custom hats. Big old J hooks on the discs for that extra bike force. And same on the rear, AP Racing calipers in a nice black finish with a yellow rating. And again our custom brackets for the rear. And Porterfield pads for the rear again. So these brakes should be real nice big biting force, especially on the road use. Yeah, absolutely hand up to track use, no problem as well if you wanted. I think let's just go set up the car and we'll quick run through fitting these brakes. Right, okay, so now we've got the car up in here. As you can see, we're looking at the front brakes here. So as I said earlier, we're using, currently at the moment, it's got a UK standard front caliper, some aftermarket disc. So we're going to be changing this out for the lovely AP Racing brake caliper. Just give you a quick run through and walk through and show you quite how we do it. So obviously we're going to get rid of the old caliper, old disc, and we're going to disconnect the brake line. So that's two simple nuts, bolts if you want to be specific. Crack two bolts, simple as that. So for now, we're going to literally place the old caliper up the top here, just until we're ready to disconnect the brake line, because otherwise we'll be leaking out everywhere and just create a mess. So, get rid of the old disc, let's grab our bracket, a nice custom billet bracket, obviously got a name on it, so it's pretty neat. Place them on first. So it's 35mm, so we'll torque these up now. So it's easier to hold these on using one of the old wheel nuts. Slide that on there. Yeah, wheel nut just hold it in place for now. That. And of course, washer go. We'll take this out of the way completely. Grab our nice new AP Racing caliper in black or yellow writing, which personally I think is very nice. Probably one of the best colour combos already. Just give a little snug down the ratchet. That's snug. Should nothing to touch in. Wicked. And then again, he's going to get torqued down to 75 Newton meter. So. There we go. Perfect. Right. Now we're just going to connect the brake line. Is round the back here is a bit harder to see, but if I just bring you round, so brake line just obviously connects up here from here. Look at that already, so much better. Just such a great brake pad, really. Real nice pedal feel. They get heat up pretty quickly, so you're not having to drive around waiting for your brakes to heat up to get a nice feel. It's got to line this pin up, a little bit fidgety. There we go. There we go. Just going to move these back down. So yeah, that's the front brake caliper essentially all fitted. Obviously we're going to go through the bleeding process. But as for fitting, it's pretty straightforward as that. But such a big difference. Massive upgrade, look at that. So you can see there, like I said, you got your pins that hold your caliper, pads in the caliper, and these two ones hold the anti-rattle shim. Brake pads going nowhere. No rattling, no vibrating. Pure brake force. Okay. So yeah, so I suppose we'll head over to the rear now and have a quick run through them. Okay, so here we are then. We've got everything all fitted up now. We've got the wheels back on, all the brakes fitted. Look at that. It looks so good now. So, nice upgrade. Brakes are going to be 100 times better now. Yeah, it just looks absolutely stunning through those wheels. Alright, so that concludes the video of the fitting our custom garage Whifbitz brake kit using the AP Racing calipers. So if you want any work done on your Mk4 Supra, please get in touch through our socials or email. Yeah, and hopefully see you soon.